Hey guys, welcome back to Amore's makeup room where we learn and grow together. I'm super excited to be back with another video. We are going to be doing a cute cut crease with a glitter lining, you guys. Before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please take some time to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and do meet me in the comments down below, guys. I really love interacting with everyone that follows me, and check the description box for other links. All right, guys, so per usual, we want to go ahead and start out by smoothing out our eyelids from that concealer that's already been placed. So I'm just using my brush to just brush everything out. We're gonna go into our Morphe palette. This is one of my newest favorite palettes. I didn't like this palette at first, but now I do. I'm going in with the darkest color on there, which is the dark purple, and I'm just blending out towards that edge. I'm focusing mainly on the outer lines and the crease as well, y'all, like the crease. When I do the voiceover, sometimes I'll be forgetting what I need to say, but I'm gonna go over to the other side. I typically like to do both eyes together, but for some reason when I record, I change up my routine. Like sometimes I only will do one full eye, and sometimes I will tackle both eyes. But y'all, right now I'm doing both. So we're doing the same thing. We're just building up that purple and that crease, but focusing on the outer skirts first. And then next we're going to go straight into our orange shade, and this is going directly into the crease, in the crease only. This orange is very pigmented. I love it. Yeah, and I'm going to blend it into that purple as well. So now you see me going back over that purple, mainly because I need to make sure that these colors are popping and showing, because once you go in to do your actual cut crease, you'll notice that some of the colors will fade away. So the best thing to do is to go over your areas a few times before actually doing your cut crease. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here, is just getting everything set in place the way that I want it to be. Now I'm taking a lighter brush, and I am using a light purple to buff out those harsh lines. Those edges, baby, was harsh to the guys, okay? So I'm just taking it and just getting everything kind of blended and nicely smoothed and out, and just looking bomb, okay? Y'all seen the end result, so you already know. Trust the process. It's gonna come together. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I did drag some of this over into the orange, but I used a lighter orange. Okay, so out of the Morphe palette, there's like light colors and dark colors, and then like super light colors. So you'll have multiple of each colors. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here, is just going up a shade or two and just getting those edges kind of nice and light, which I felt like when it showed up in pictures, it was so beautiful because you could actually see the colors blending together, versus on the video it's really hard to tell, but it's there. Now we're going to use Juvia's primer. This is in the lightest shade. I always put it on my hands, and then we're going to use a flat brush to go ahead and get that cut crease started. I like to dab my eyelids and look up, that way I can see exactly where my hood of my eyes kind of meet, so that I can go over that with the cut crease and not have a cut crease that disappears when I open my eyes. So that's what I'm doing. And then once I actually put everything together, I start with the corner and just brush everything over. I do take my time with this, guys. Take your time with this and make sure that everything is nicely smoothed out and flattened. Do not rush this process, especially with the cut crease, guys. Like, even the pearls, if you're a master at cut crease and you do it real fast, then power to you. But for us newbies, like, we do have to take our time, and I feel like even as a professional, you should be taking your time. So that's just what I think. So you guys see me again here on the other side. I am doing the same method. I started at the corner of my eyes, and I'm just bringing everything over. And I just love it. Everything's looking really good, and we're just getting everything together, guys, and we're almost done with this look. I love this look. I'm definitely going to be doing this again. And check out that background. I feel like everything in this video was just flowing together so perfectly, and it just made my entire day. So yeah, that's it for the cut crease, guys. Moving on. I am using my glitter. I have a little brush, and I have some glitter glue. And then what I do is just outline the tip of it. I don't know. You see. From there, I'm taking my flat brush, and I'm so sorry that piece went by super fast, you guys. I'm just trying to make sure that my videos are not too dragged out, but I did use a angle brush to spread the glue out here, and then I'm also using an angle brush for the loose glitter. The loose glitter is from my cosmetic line that I'm hoping to drop very, very soon, you guys, so just kind of keep a lookout for that. But we're using the angle brush, and now we're just packing everything onto that glue. So we're not putting it all over the eyelids, we're just creating a cute glitter line, and this is what's going to bring this look to life. I'm using my fluffy brush here to just kind of brush off whatever glitter that dropped, because baby, it's glitter. Y'all know how glitter is. If you have kids, you know glitter gets everywhere. It's just what happens, okay? So take your time, don't rush, and just clean as you go. I'm definitely cleaning as I go. Literally, you are watching me move stuff around, and I should have added that out, but I didn't. Now I'm going to go in with that purple again, and I just want to start to make this look more natural and come together. So I'm going over a little bit over into that cut crease area, and I'm blending out that purple. I'm not adding any orange. Next time I think I should add orange right afterwards. I think that would be bomb.com. So I'm definitely gonna do this look again, and we'll possibly do that. But yeah, we're just getting everything in motion and blended and bold. So go ahead and with some mascara, get those lashes ready, and then now we're going to go ahead and put those lashes on, babies. I did use eyelash glue. Not sure what happened to that clip, but it's on there. But if you watch any of my other videos, you literally know the steps. Like if you miss it, you know that there's a video on here with the step that I did. So that's the good thing about social media. And yeah, that is the final look, you guys. I cannot wait to see you ladies and gentlemen try this look. I love it. I feel so alive, and it's giving so much summer, spring. Oh, just beautiful. Like the finish, the face finish, the lip finish, everything about this look I really, really love. I want to thank you guys so much for yet again returning to my channel, checking out some of my videos and watching me grow. I've gotten so much better over time, and it's all because of you guys giving me a safe place to work. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to leave some comments down below. Bye guys, see you next time. Bye.